Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled AI Tool Use, Empowering Your Agents with External Tools. Welcome to AI for Developers. Today, we're talking about how to make your AI agents incredibly powerful. Imagine you have a brilliant new intern. They're super smart, can understand anything you say, and can write amazing reports. But they're stuck in the office and can't use the internet, make calls, or even use a calculator. They're limited to what's in their head. Our goal today is to give that intern tools so they can go out and do things in the real world. At the heart of many AI agents are large language models, LLMs, like the brain of our intern. LLMs are amazing at understanding, generating, and summarizing text. They've read an enormous amount of information. But here's the catch. They only know what they were trained on, which is usually old data. They can't browse the live internet, perform precise math. They're good at guessing answers, not calculating, or interact with any external systems. Think of them as a brilliant scholar who has read every book in a giant library but has no smartphone, no calculator, and can't leave the library to find new information or perform actions. So what are these tools? For an AI agent, an external tool is simply a specific function or program. We, the developers, create and provide to the AI. These tools give the AI agent a way to interact with the outside world beyond its own brain. Examples could be a function to fetch the current weather, perform a complex math calculation, search Google, send an email, or update a database. It's like giving our scholar a smartphone, a scientific calculator, and a key to the internet and other useful apps. Why bother? Because tools help our AI agents overcome their core limitations and become truly useful. Real-time information. They can get current news, stock prices, or weather instead of relying on outdated training data. Accuracy. They can perform precise calculations, eliminating hallucinations when AI makes up wrong answers. Action. They can perform tasks like sending emails, scheduling appointments, or updating records. Fact-checking. They can verify information by searching the web. In short, tools bridge the gap between an AI agent's language understanding and its ability to act and acquire up-to-date knowledge in the real world. This is where you, the developer, come in. You define the tools and the AI decides when to use them. Here's the typical flow. 1. User asks. A user gives the AI agent a task, e.g., what's the weather in London right now? 2. AI thinks, reasoning. The AI agent, using its LLM brain, analyzes the request and thinks, I don't have current weather data internally. I need a tool for this. I have a get weather tool that takes a city name. 3. AI calls tool, your code. The AI agent decides to call the get weather tool with London as the input. This isn't magic. The AI tells your code to execute a specific function you've defined, like get weather, London. 4. Tool acts, your code executes. Your get weather function runs. It might make an API call to a real weather service. 5. Tool returns, result. The get weather function returns the result, e.g., the weather in London is 18 degrees and partly cloudy. 6. AI responds. The AI agent then uses this result to formulate a human-friendly answer. The current weather in London is 18 degrees and partly cloudy. Let's look at more concrete examples. Web search tool. User asks, summarize today's top headlines about AI. The AI uses a search web tool to find articles, then uses its LLM to summarize them. Calculator tool. User asks, what's 1234 multiplied by 567? The AI uses a calculator tool to get the precise mathematical answer. Calendar API tool. User asks, schedule a meeting with Sarah for Friday at 2 p.m. The AI uses a schedule event tool that connects to a real calendar application. Code interpreter tool. User asks, write a Python script to reverse a string. The AI uses a code interpreter tool to actually generate and test the code, then provide the correct output. Understanding AI tool use is a game changer for you as a developer. It means you're no longer limited to building simple chatbots. You can create AI applications that are more intelligent, by accessing real-time, accurate data, are more capable, by performing concrete actions in the world, solve complex problems, by breaking down tasks and using the right tool for each part. You're effectively giving your AI agents superpowers, turning them into versatile, action-oriented assistants that can truly help users and automate tasks in powerful new ways. The world of AI agents powered by external tools is incredibly exciting and rapidly evolving. As a developer, you have the unique ability to define what your AI agents can do by crafting these tools. Many modern AI libraries and frameworks, like LangChain, Llama Index, or even just OpenAI's function calling feature, are designed to make integrating tools much easier. Start thinking about the problems you want to solve or the tasks you want to automate. What tools would your AI agent need to accomplish them? The possibilities are endless, and you're now equipped to start exploring them. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.